Hi everyone, so in this video you'll learn how you can replace all the occurrences of a specific string in a sentence using JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Link to the style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element. Let's make it container. We need one button. Let's make it replace. We need one more div element, so let's make it content. Now just save it, go to style sheet, select container and the content. Display will be flex. Flex direction will be column. Align items will be center. Justify content will be center. Select content here. Font size will be 1.8 rem. Make the padding 10 pixels. Margin top will be 10 pixels. Width will be around 50%. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Minimum height will be around 100 pixels. Select the button. Outline will be none. Padding will be 10 pixels and 20 pixels. Margin will be 5 pixels. Just save it. Open this file in the browser. And this is the output. We need to show a sentence here. Let's go to JavaScript file. Create a variable sentence. I already got one. Let me paste it here. Let's create a function here. It will be show sentence. We'll select the content class and we'll set the inner text equal to the sentence. Let's call this function here show sentence. Save it, go to browser. You can see we are getting a sentence here. Now let's try to understand how it will actually work. We are having multiple occurrences of this happy string and I want to replace this happy with a sad on the click of this replace button. So let's go to JavaScript file. Select the button, let's make it replace. Add event listener to it. Event will be click. This will be the handler function. To replace all the occurrence of a specific string, you can make use of replace method. So it will go like this. Sentence dot replace, and I'm going to pass a regex here, so it will be happy and I want to replace it with the sad. That's it. Also we need to call this function here, which is show sentence. Now just save it, go to browser. Now on the click of this button you will see this happy word will be replaced with the sad. Click, you can see this is the output. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.